What's going on? Welcome to another video. Today we are on an adventure. This is going to be a mission for science. Got a couple upgrades for the bike. We're going to be testing the sprocket sizes. I got a 54 tooth sprocket and a non-O-ring chain, so we're going to see the differences. Also got a few new things on the bike. Got a new nice little vinyl wrap here. Got the Thrill Seeker's seat. This thing is so nice. Wheelies feel so much more planted now. And then got some Scott grips right here. These things are real nice. I think I actually have a link I can give for those ones in the description. And then I did a little sticker bombing on the forks. I haven't decided if I'm going to do sticker bombing on like any of the other plastics or anything like that, but I think it's coming along, starting to look good. But yeah, so right now I'm going to do the speed run acceleration test for the bike. So yeah, it's just the stock sprocket, stock chain. I'm about 200 pounds. Yeah, gonna use the GPS and the bike speedometer, see how far we go, see how fast we go, see acceleration, all of that. And then I'm gonna slap on the 54 tooth sprocket, and I got a non-O-ring chain. And yeah, we're gonna do the comparison. So I'm basically gonna just do a nice high-speed drag run right here. Let's get it. Pulling up to the starting line. Alright, stock chain, stock sprocket, 0 to 40, an 1/8 mile test. Ready?
Round
Go.
1, fight!
Good launch. We also topped out at 51 miles an hour. I think that's pretty good. So 0 to 40, 9 seconds, and then 1/8 miles, 12.7 seconds. Alright, so we're gonna give it another go, just to get some conclusive scientific data here. Same stock, from stopped.
Round 2, fight!
Good launch. Full top. Come on, we gotta hit that top speed. Two runs, I think that was actually a little bit better than the other one. Alright, well, I'm going to do a couple little wheelies as another test and kind of see how easy it is to pull up at different speeds, because it's going to be a lot easier with the 54 tooth. I think it's going to be a lot less throttle input needed to get it up initially. I mean, according to everything, all the other users and everybody like that, that's what it is. But at least for me, this is how it's going to be for the stock sprocket setup with wheelies, because obviously it's going to be easier with the bigger sprocket. But this one, normally I can pull it up pretty easy at about 15, at least 15 on the bike speedometer. So let's see how fast that is. How fast are we going? Let's see, come to a stop. Boop. It just booped at me. Let's reset. Reset, yo. Give me the fucking music. I'm cutting the fingers off of these fucking gloves. I hate this shit. Anyone else cut the fingers off their gloves? I'm just talking a little bit, just the tip there, just so I can do some stuff and then my brake finger is protected. But yeah, so stock sprocket, let's see, we go about 15 miles an hour. Little pop, still easy. But when I get up to like 20 miles an hour, I'm gonna try to go to 20 and pop it a little bit quicker. it won't do it. So that's just a little pop back won't do it at 20. I'm hoping with the bigger sprocket it will allow me to do it at 20 so we can go a little bit faster. Just pop it up a little easier at higher speeds. Oh yeah, we cruising. Oh, got scared. Still get scared every once in a while. It's all good. Let's see, let's try 20 again. Alright, 20. Yeah, 20 you need a firm pump at 20. I really hope with the non-O-ring chain that I don't lose too much stop speed. I know it's definitely going to lose top speed. I'm probably only going to be able to go like 45 now, but I hope the torquiness is going to be worth it. Stop blowing my buzz, quit killing it. Oh no, I see people. There's people walking on the path. This path don't go nowhere. He's a bicyclist. He's gonna be like, damn you e-bikers. Didn't give a fuck. Didn't want to wave. Okay, Lance. Doc greetings. Doc greetings to you. Alright, we're going back to the compound. We're going to install the 54.2 sprocket from Warp9 with the non-O-ring chain, and then we're going to come back and test it out again. Same tests. It's going to be good. Oh man, that one was open this time too. So yeah, see you back there. Alright, just a quick rundown of the tools. We got 6mm capital L, we got needle nose pliers, we got a 17mm socket, we got our 54 tooth Warp9 sprocket, and then we got our RK chain non-O-ring 112 links according to the interwebs. That's what we need for the Talaria, and yeah, we're gonna get to it. So here we go. we need knocking out here. Alright, hopefully this is going to be better, because it was so windy the other day when I tried to record this part. This is going to be the second recording of this, and hopefully it works a little better. Alright, so this is going to be a test run. This should be an 1/8 mile. Top speed, probably going to be 42. Alright, let's get it.
Round 3. Fight!
Set limiter right there. Got 7.3 seconds, 13.5, max speed 42 still. It is so much louder. This chain is so loud. Alright, I tried filming this yesterday. It was so windy, and I think it was affecting the times. I got some decent times on here, but we're going to do another test run to see. And yeah, here we go.
Final round. Fight!
There we go, that was a good launch. Didn't get my 0 to 40s. 12.3. So overall, the 54.2 Sprocket is a beast. Definitely gives more torque. Definitely gives more good vibes. Highly recommended. The only downfall is I dropped 9 miles an hour overall. I top out at 42 now instead of 51. But it is what it is there. But yeah, anyways, if you made it this far, thank you. Hope you enjoyed some of the numbers I put up there. Hopefully it helped you decide if you want any of this. So yeah, I got links for the sprocket and the chain down in the description below. It is a bit loud, but hopefully it doesn't matter too much to you. I want to see how it comes through on the footage because it seems real loud. But yeah, anyways, that's it. Remember, I wasn't here. Video over. Let's go.